Good morning. Today we woke up to a beautiful sunny day. Summer is definitely here. This week's been quite hot, over 30 degrees already, and it's only the last week of May. So yeah, summer in Hungary and in Budapest is always quite hot. It can be over 40 degrees Celsius, of course, which is quite unbearable, but we're rolling with it. Today I have a really exciting plan. We're going to visit a part of Budapest we haven't visited before, so I really hope that it's going to be a nice day. But before we jump into this program, we have to go to work because it's only Friday. Friday is great because it's a shorter day. We only have to be at work until 2 p.m. But it comes with a cost because on other days we are working from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is basically 9 hours a day. But those are the rules, we can't really do anything about it. So yeah, right now my plan is to drink my morning coffee and relax on the balcony and enjoy this still fresh air. It's already over 20 degrees, but it's really nice right now, so I'm just going to enjoy my morning and then we'll go to work. Today was a very slow day at work. Almost everyone else was at home office that day, so the whole floor was empty, which is fine, but kind of rare. Working in an office can be quite monotone. Not every day is full of exciting tasks, but I really try my best and not to make this my whole life, if you know what I mean. It's so important to me, for example, to plan little programs after work, have hobbies. Also, making videos is one of the things that help me turn off my normal work life and gives me another purpose I'm passionate about. So yeah, maybe working here doesn't give me the biggest enjoyment, but that's not what it's for. It's for giving me the financial background to do what I love after I leave the building, and I find this very important, not to take this job too seriously. Work is over, we're back home. Did I mention where we plan to go? We will visit the Naplás lake that is almost on the border of Budapest in the 16th district. From the center, it's a little more than an hour travel. We're going to use the HAVE, or the suburban railway in English. My plan is to have a little picnic there, but I have to be honest, I'm not really sure if we can have a picnic there, but I'll bring the blanket just in case. Now I will go and get some strawberries because picnic and strawberries go hand in hand, in my opinion. And strawberries are my favorite fruits, but they are quite expensive, so I only buy them for very special occasions. And what can be more special than having a picnic at the Naplás lake? I don't know. So that's the plan, but now I really have to go because then we won't have enough time to have the actual picnic.
Delicious. And I paid 600 forints for this, so it's like €1.50 for this whole package, and I'm so happy. They look a bit worse than the picture perfect ones, but they are good and they are cheaper.
Our dinner is sponsored by IKEA.
Yeah.
Not actually sponsored. I like.
Could be.
Yeah, could be. Call us. We're open.
We're always here. Anyways.
Traveling to the lake is simple. The easiest is probably to use the metro M2 until the vezér tere, then hop on the suburban railway line H8 or H9, both are great, until you reach the Mátyásföld alsó station. If long walks isn't your thing, I will share an alternative route, but each one will require at least a little walk. And this is still Budapest. This is still Budapest. Once you see the buffet, that means you reached the destination. The Naplás lake is truly a hidden gem in Budapest. Despite the fact that this is the biggest lake in the whole city, not many people know about it. The promenade around the lake is very nicely maintained, gives you a perfect opportunity to have a nice walk far from the city's noises. The lake also has an educational trail around the area. Unfortunately, the information boards are only in Hungarian, but the pictures still give you an idea about what animals and plants can be found here. Oh, they look good. They survived.
I was taking good care of them.
Well, nice, thank you. Hot dog number 1. Hot dog number 2. That's our end goal. So cute. Next time we should bring a pillow. Wow. If the walk, the picnic and the educational trail is not enough reason to visit it, let me tell you, there's more. As you saw a few clips ago, there's a lookout tower in the forest next to the lake. Reaching it is very simple, you only have to walk a few minutes in the woods and it's already there. It's there. Wow.
The tower is 27 meters tall, giving you the perfect opportunity to look around. Seeing the silhouette of the Buda Hills and the surrounding towns next to Budapest is a very special experience you wouldn't want to miss.
That was our little kind of spontaneous adventure to the Naplás lake.
Yeah, kind of spontaneous. She only planned it for like 2 days in advance.
Yeah, but for example, this walk, it wasn't in my plan because I thought it's much shorter. Like 10 minutes. But it's half an hour.
Didn't work out.
That was everything I wanted to show you there. I'm not sure if I'm going to make an outro, like, at home.
I think it's okay, just go on.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to like it and hype it and subscribe to my channel if you want more content about Budapest and Hungary. And that was it. See you in the next one. Bye!